So this is Vivitar 9-inch full color key light. And I was thinking the stand was 9 inches, but it's the light. The light is actually 9 inches. You're gonna see how big it is. And see, it comes with the control, the phone holder, a little screw, and some little gaskets, showing you that it's USB port and you have access to turn it on with buttons, not just the remote. And that rod I just showed you, here are the instructions. I'm gonna go to the stand real quick. This is super heavy duty. It's very sturdy. That thing, it weighs, and so is the rod. The rod is super sturdy. I'm gonna show you, the light's 9 inches. The rod is about 36. I didn't measure it, but it's pretty high. You saw how high that went. And you can adjust it. So if you're gonna put it on the bottom portions, you don't have to use that gasket I showed you, but I'm gonna put it, because it sits on my desk, I'm gonna put it on that thinner rod on the top, so I had to put the 2 gaskets in. It's really easy to clip. You just put the gaskets, you put it on there, and then it clips. And now, not only do you have a really great light that's hitting you and you can angle it at 45 degrees, but you also have your phone at a higher height, which is always a better view when you're creating content and videos. I'm gonna show you at the end, I have a before and after. So I was just gonna get a studio light, and I didn't know I needed this, but I ran into it actually at Walmart. I didn't run into it here. And if you want to go ahead and take advantage, I would hit your Walmart up before they're gone. I think they're gonna put some new products up, and these are online for like $42 to $47. And at Walmart, I got them at 2 separate Walmarts. After I bought one, I'm like, I need another one. So one was $12.50, and then I went to get dog food, another Walmart in my town, and it was $11.50. So if you have a Walmart nearby and you need a light, go ahead and grab that. It works as your phone holder and your light. Oh, and I'm just reminding you there that it doesn't come with one of those power blocks to plug it in. So you're going to have to grab one. You can always plug it into your USB port. And I'm going through the light cycles here. So you can have static lights like I'm showing you now. And then you could also set it up to do its own like movement and flashing, whatever it is you want. And then the white light. So this is a video of me. And I do have my little light. Do you see the difference? And I also put an effect on that other video through CapCut. But that angle is super important in that light. Look at that. It's going to be a lot better now. I'm so happy.